Athanasian Creed, Episode 3. Fides autem catholica haec est, ut unum Deum in Trinitate, et Trinitatem in unitate veneremur. Now that the preamble is taken care of, we get to the first statement of the Creed. Now in fact, autem, the Catholic faith, fides catholica, is this. Or we might say, now this is the Catholic faith. The subject here is fides, which is feminine, singular, and nominative, and it's modified by haec, and it has catholica as predicate. Or we could say that it is modified by catholica and takes haec as predicate. We then have this ut noun clause, which is the appositive to fides, namely that one God, unum Deum, in Trinity, and Trinity in unity, we worship. Veneremur is a first plural, present, subjunctive, passive, from the deponent verb veneror, like so, venerari. With the presence of this e, it tells us that the mood is subjunctive. Its object is Deum, modified by unum, that we worship or we reverence the one God in Trinity, and its second object, the second object of the deponent veneremur, is Trinitatem, and the Trinity in unity. So then, unum Deum is masculine, singular, and accusative, accompanied by the prepositional phrase in Trinitate, Trinitate feminine, singular, and ablative, Trinitas, a word apparently coined by Tertullian, and then Trinitatem, feminine, singular, accusative, the second object of veneremur, and unitate, feminine, singular, ablative.